Hi guys, it's YT ProCraft here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple paper hat. It should start to look like this at the end. It's pretty small, so it probably won't fit on your head, but it could fit on a stuffy's head. So let's get started. First you take this edge and fold it down to this edge. It should look like this. Next you take this edge and fold it down to here. Like this. Then you open up the paper, and you should have a line down the middle. If this part is at the top where you can open it up like this, turn it around and then fold it. So you should be able to open up the flap. Fold it like this and do the same thing with the other side. Like this. Next, what you do is you open this flap up and fold it up like this. The last step in this video is you take this edge and fold it up. It should align with the other crease we made. And there we go. It's our paper hat. So you have to open it from the bottom and put it on your head. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to every one of my videos. See you on our next video.